In today's tutorial, we'll show you exactly how to make a nourishing hair mask perfect to make at home or to sell. Let's get started. Begin adding 100 grams aloe vera juice into a clean, heat-proof bowl. Heat up to 70 degrees on the hob. Once got to this, set this aside while you prepare the oil phase. In a separate heat-proof bowl, add 16 grams emulsifying wax, 40 grams coconut oil, 30 grams shea butter, and 20 grams sweet almond oil. Add to heat until the oils reaches around 70 degrees, allowing the emulsifying wax and butters to melt completely. Once both phases have reached a similar temperature, you're ready to combine them. Slowly pour the oil phase into the water phase. Using a stick blender, blend in short bursts for around 1 to 2 minutes. You'll see the mixture quickly transform into a smooth, creamy emulsion. Allow the mixture to cool naturally, stirring every few minutes. As it reaches approximately 40 degrees Celsius, you'll notice it thickening into a luxurious cream. Once cooled, add 4 grams wheat protein, 4 grams DL-panthenol, 4 grams coconut fragrance oil, and 4 grams phenoxyethanol preservative. Mix everything thoroughly until fully incorporated. Transfer your finished hair mask into a clean, sanitized 200 milliliter clear glass container. Your nourishing hair mask is now ready to use. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe for more hair care tutorials.